Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to jungle on League of Legends. The first thing you want to do is, of course, make sure this section right here, the spells, make sure you get Smite. Spell that S-M-I-T-E, okay? By the way, it looks like this one right here. Where did it go? Let me check. I think all of my friends doesn't have Smite, but I cannot check it because this account's still level 1 and that Smite unlocks on level 3, okay? Or I think level 9. Now Smite looks like a hand with a thunder on it. For example, this is Ignite, right? It has a hand with flame. Now Smite is a hand with thunder. Now why do we need that? Because it helps you kill farm creeps or neutral creeps. This is where we call farm creeps or neutral creeps. And the first thing you want to do with jungling is, of course, just stay in the jungle. Okay? Once you stay in the jungle, kill the creeps here. This gives red buff. So of course we need the red buff, right? Red buff gives physical damage and armor. Now once you finish that one, you kill that one, you're gonna need to head on straight here. So the main idea of jungling is getting more money than the one of your friends with the lane. Okay? So you need to get money as much as possible, as early as possible, because of course you're just alone here, you don't have an enemy. Now the thing here is, the thing you want to do next now while you're jungling, you need to visit your lanes from time to time. For example, you want to visit your friend right here and help him kill this guy over here, okay? Now that's the thing in jungling. Stay in the jungle and visit lanes from time to time. And that's how you jungle in League of Legends, okay? Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one. Goodbye for now.